Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Georgian-style interiors, inspired by the architectural and design principles of the 18th century Georgian era, exude elegance, symmetry, and timeless sophistication. Originating in Britain during the reigns of the first four King George, Georgian design is characterized by its grandeur, classical proportions, and attention to detail. Georgian interiors often feature architectural details that emphasize symmetry and proportion. This includes grand entrance halls with soaring ceilings, elaborate crown molding, and intricate plasterwork. Symmetrical floor plans with evenly spaced windows and doors create a sense of balance and harmony throughout the space. Georgian design is based on classical principles of architecture, with an emphasis on proportion and scale. Rooms are typically spacious and well-proportioned, with tall windows, high ceilings, and ample natural light. The use of classical architectural elements such as columns, pilasters, and pediments adds a sense of grandeur and refinement to the space. Georgian interiors are heavily influenced by neoclassical design, which drew inspiration from ancient Greek and Roman architecture. This is reflected in the use of classical motifs such as Greek key patterns, urns, laurel wreaths, and acanthus leaves in furniture, textiles, and decorative accessories. Georgian interiors are characterized by the use of high-quality materials and fine craftsmanship. Mahogany, walnut, and cherry wood are commonly used for furniture, which is often characterized by its elegant lines, intricate carving, and graceful curves. Upholstered pieces feature luxurious fabrics such as silk, velvet, and damask, while floors are typically adorned with hardwood or marble. Symmetry is a defining feature of Georgian interiors, with rooms often arranged around a central axis and focal point. This may include a grand fireplace, a chandelier, or a decorative mirror. Furniture and decorative elements are often arranged in pairs to create a sense of balance and harmony. Georgian interiors typically feature a soft and muted color palette that enhances the sense of elegance and refinement. Soft hues such as pale blues, greens, creams, and grays are commonly used on walls, while richer colors such as burgundy, navy, and emerald green may be used for accents and upholstery. Textiles play a key role in Georgian interiors, adding warmth, texture, and visual interest to the space. Richly textured fabrics such as silk, velvet, and damask are commonly used for upholstery, curtains, and bedding, while intricate patterns such as florals, stripes, and damasks add depth and sophistication to the decor. Overall, Georgian-style interiors are a celebration of classical elegance, refined taste, and timeless beauty. With their emphasis on symmetry, proportion, and fine craftsmanship, Georgian interiors continue to inspire and captivate admirers around the world, offering a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the 18th century aristocracy.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!